Hi, I'm Emma from Wicked Edge, and today we're going to talk about a little bit of maintenance to get you wicked smart. So let's get started. So you've been using your sharpener and diamond stones for a little while, and you're ready for a little bit of cleanup. For your diamond stones, your best option is going to be any form of dish soap and a scrub brush or toothbrush, just to make sure that it gets nice and clean. It's not super important that they're dry the next time that you sharpen, but ensure that you do put them away dry and not wet. For your actual sharpener, you can spray a little bit of alcohol on any normal paper towel and just wipe down the base of your sharpener. For cleaning your angle guides where your rod ends meet, you can use a form of compressed air to ensure that all of the residue is removed safely. However, if you have one of the 60 series models, you'll want to make sure that you replace your plastic balls so that you don't lose the pivot races when you are spraying that compressed air. And lastly, if you're using the standard vise with the screws in the side of it, you can use any sort of assembly lube to ensure that those screws continue working as intended. So that's it. A little bit of maintenance to make you wicked smart. And if you find you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@wickededgeusa.com. And until next time, keep it sharp.